Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, I am starting to feel a little hungry.
We have been walking for 2 hours.
My feet are tired and my stomach is empty.
Look, there is a convenience store across the street.
That is perfect. Let's go buy some snacks.
I need something sweet to eat.
I prefer something salty and crunchy.
We can buy a few different things to share.
That is a great idea. Let's cross the street.
The store looks very clean and bright.
And it has air conditioning. It feels so good.
Let's grab a shopping basket near the door.
Okay, I have the red basket. Lead the way.
Where are the potato chips?
I think they are in aisle number 3.
Yes, I see them over there.
Wow, they have so many different flavors of chips.
Do you like the cheese flavor or the spicy flavor?
I really love the barbecue flavored chips.
The barbecue ones are very tasty.
Let's get a large bag so we can share.
Okay, I will put the large bag in the basket.
Do you want any popcorn?
No, popcorn always gets stuck in my teeth.
How about some pretzels?
Pretzels are too dry for me.
Let's look at the candy aisle next.
This is my favorite part of the store.
You have a very big sweet tooth.
I know, look at all the chocolate bars.
Do you want dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
I want a milk chocolate bar with almonds.
That sounds very good. I will get one too.
Actually, let's just buy one large bar and break it.
Smart choice. It is cheaper that way.
I also want some gummy bears.
Gummy bears are so chewy and sweet.
Yes, the red ones are the best.
I prefer the green ones. They taste like apple.
We can get a mixed bag of gummy bears.
Deal. Put the mixed bag in the basket.
Now I'm getting thirsty just looking at food.
Me too. We need to buy some drinks.
The refrigerators are at the back of the store.
Let's go see what cold drinks they have.
Do you want to drink soda today?
No, soda has too much sugar in it.
I am going to buy a bottle of water.
Plain water or sparkling water?
Just plain cold water for me.
I think I want some iced tea.
Lemon tea or peach tea?
The peach tea looks very refreshing.
I will grab the water and the peach tea.
Make sure the bottles are very cold.
Yes, they are freezing cold.
Perfect. What else do we need?
We have chips, chocolate, candy, and drinks.
I think we need something healthy too.
You mean like fresh fruit?
Yes, they sell apples and bananas near the counter.
An apple sounds really crisp and juicy.
I will buy 2 red apples.
Check if there are any spots on the apples.
These 2 apples look very shiny and perfect.
Great, I will buy a banana for myself.
Bananas are a very good energy snack.
Yes, they give you power to keep walking.
Should we get some mixed nuts?
Nuts are very healthy, but they are expensive.
Let me check the price tag on the peanuts.
How much is the small bag of peanuts?
It is $4 for a tiny bag.
That is too much money for peanuts.
You are right. Let's skip the nuts today.
We already have enough food anyway.
Yes, our basket is getting very heavy.
Do you want to buy some chewing gum?
Oh, yes, I always carry gum in my pocket.
Mint flavor or fruit flavor?
I only choose strong peppermint gum.
Okay, I will grab a pack of peppermint gum.
The gum will keep our breath fresh after eating.
Exactly, especially after the barbecue chips.
Is there anything else you want to look at?
Let me just check the bakery section.
Do they have fresh bread here?
They have some packaged cookies and muffins.
The chocolate chip cookies look very soft.
But we already bought a chocolate bar.
That is true. Too much chocolate is bad.
Let's stick to our original plan.
You are very disciplined today.
I am trying not to spend all my money.
That is a very smart way to shop.
Are we ready to pay for everything?
Yes, let's go to the cash register.
There is no line at the counter.
That is great. We can pay quickly.
I will put the basket on the counter.
Let me help you take the items out.
Hello, we are ready to pay.
The cashier is scanning the barcode on the chips.
Beeps, beeps. Every item makes a beep sound.
It is a very satisfying sound.
He's scanning the chocolate and the gummy bears.
Now the 2 bottles of cold drinks.
And finally, the fresh fruit and the gum.
Do you need a plastic bag for these items?
No, thank you. I brought my own reusable bag.
That is very good for the environment.
I always carry a cloth bag in my backpack.
It's a great habit to have.
How much is the total cost?
The cashier says it is $12.50.
That is not too bad for all this food.
Let's split the cost. I will give you $6.
You don't have to do that. I can pay.
No, we are sharing the food, so we share the cost.
Okay, that is fair. Thank you.
Here is a $10 bill and two $1 bills.
I will pay the cashier with a $20 bill.
The cashier is giving you your change.
$7.50 change.
Make sure you put the coins in your wallet.
Yes, I don't want to lose them in my pocket.
I will put the snacks into your cloth bag.
Put the heavy drinks at the bottom, please.
Good idea. The chips go on top so they don't crush.
And the fruit goes on the side.
The bag is packed perfectly.
Thank you for your help.
It is a very nice and strong bag.
Yes, it holds a lot of groceries.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day to you too, sir.
Okay, we are back outside on the street.
The sun is very hot now.
Let's go find a bench in the park to sit on.
There is a park just down the road.
We can sit in the shade under a big tree.
That sounds like a wonderful picnic.
A mini picnic with chips and gummy bears.
I am going to open my bottle of water now.
Are you very thirsty?
Yes, my throat is completely dry.
Ah, cold water is the best drink in the world.
It is so refreshing on a hot day.
I'm going to open my peach tea.
Does it taste like real peaches?
Yes, it is very sweet and flavorful.
Look, there is an empty green bench under that oak tree.
Let's walk over there quickly before someone takes it.
I am walking as fast as I can.
We made it. The bench is ours.
Let me put the bag down on the wooden seat.
My feet are so happy to finally rest.
Yes, taking a break is very important.
Let's open the bag of barbecue chips first.
I love the smell when you open a new bag of chips.
It smells smoky and salty.
Here, take a handful of chips.
Thank you. Wow, these are very crunchy.
The flavor is really strong and delicious.
I told you the barbecue flavor was the best.
You were absolutely right.
The birds are looking at us eat.
They probably want some of our chips.
Please do not feed the birds.
I know, human food is bad for them.
They will become too lazy to find their own food.
Look at that little squirrel running up the tree.
He is looking for an acorn.
Nature is so beautiful to watch.
Sitting in the park is so much better than sitting indoors.
Yes, the fresh air makes the food taste better.
I am ready for something sweet now.
Let's open the gummy bears.
Pass me a green apple bear, please.
Here is a green one and a red one.
The green one tastes like apple.
I love eating these. They are so much fun.
We should save the chocolate bar for later.
Yes, the chocolate will melt in this heat.
I will eat my red apple now.
That is a very healthy choice.
It is very crisp and sweet.
I will save my banana for the walk home.
That was a very successful trip to the store.
Yes, we bought exactly what we needed.
And we didn't spend too much money.
It is important to treat yourself sometimes.
I agree. A little snack makes the day better.
We still have half a bag of chips left.
Let's roll the top of the bag to keep them fresh.
I have a rubber band to close it tightly.
You are always prepared for everything.
I try my best to be organized.
Well, my stomach is finally full and happy.
My thirst is completely gone, too.
Are you ready to continue our walk?
Let's rest for 5 more minutes.
Just 5 minutes, then we start walking again.
I am enjoying the shade of this beautiful tree.
Okay, 5 minutes of peace and quiet.
I am going to close my eyes and relax.
Don't fall asleep on the bench.
I won't. I am just resting my eyes.
Have a good mini rest.
Thank you. You are a great walking partner.
And you are a great snacking partner.